Yeah, so as your listeners are aware, we're a critical metals focused exploration company with two main projects in Manitoba, Canada, where we're looking for nickel and lithium. One of our projects over there is the Jenpeg Lithium project, and what it is a prospect area called Spodumene Island. But also there's a bunch of historic holes that were drilled previously for tin tantalum, and we've been able to sample for additional holes in this release. We have three still outstanding, but from today's release, we've got some holes there with kind of pretty spectacular grades, multiple pegmatites down hole, good widths. And for example, one of these holes, XL6, there's a zone of 5 meters at 1.75%, as well as another zone at 14 meters at 1.66%. And so what we're seeing is a large stacked pegmatite system, and the results today kind of confirm what we were seeing in core. And it's a really great start for a company that has a really large regional opportunity here, but also a center of gravity where there's really spectacular lithium drill hole intercepts already. Yeah, so what we're really excited about is that there's this core area of drilling where we're seeing a pegmatite swarm developing. We're seeing that in the drill holes, we're seeing that in the assay data, but we also see that in some of the previous sampling from channel sampling. So not only on a prospect scale, this drilling is roughly being done on about a 400 by 400 meter area, but we also know that there's a large strike extent potential here. So 3.6 kilometers away from these drill holes, there's another channel sample, 7 meters at 1.45% lithium. So clearly the Jenpeg Lithium project is not only got kind of some really interesting prospect areas, but there's a real opportunity for a large scale exploration project here. And these results kind of really draw us in as a center of gravity, keep us focused. But we definitely know there's potentially a lot larger prize here, and today's results are just the beginning, we're hoping. So we're a pretty busy company. So at Jenpeg, we've got three additional holes still outstanding for assays, so they're expected in the next few weeks as well. But we also have our summer field sampling anticipated to start in the next couple of weeks. So I think what we're going to see is it's going to validate what we're seeing in historic data out at Jenpeg, and also we're going to focus on kind of building up that regional picture as well. We've got over 1,900 square kilometres of tenure, so I think that puts us in a pretty compelling position to really develop a large scale belt opportunity. And I think when we look at our peers in Canada, that kind of makes us a bit unique in that sense, where we actually have a regional footprint that we can go exploring in. And on a success basis, you essentially have a whole greenstone belt to play in. And that kind of provides a lot of upside to Leeuwin shareholders. And at William Lake, we've just kind of come to the back end of that drill program. We've still got some downhole EM outstanding, but a lot of these assays from the drill holes are still in the lab. So we can kind of generate a bit of news flow on the back end of the year in regards to that stuff as well. So we've got a bit going on across two projects.